Good morning mga kakuya Josh TV. Sa video na ito ay samahan niyo ulit akong kumanta, mag-cover ng isang panibagong song. Ang title ng song na kakantahin natin is Once in a Lifetime by Freestyle. And credits dun sa uploader ng karaoke song, which is yung lagi kong ginagamit, yung Pro Music cover. So, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-share para updated kayo sa mga bago nating uploads. So, nisimulan ko na. Been thinking about you, baby, and I don't know what to do. All I think about is you. Since everything around me, things I never understood, they all make sense when I'm with you. Oh, I've heard it all before. Finally, so gone, I've been to leave it behind. But now I feel so sure. I listen to my this song, so I lay on the line. I know that what I found is once in a lifetime. And I know there's no way out, 'cause it's once in a lifetime. I've always been so lonely, no one there's for me to hold. Every night was just so cold. Oh, don't get me wrong, I've been around, but I find myself to thinking, no, it's just another story often told. Oh, I've heard it all before. Finding so cold, I didn't leave it behind. But now I feel so sure. I listen to my this time, put my heart before my mind. I know that's what I found. It's once in a lifetime. And I know there's no way out, 'cause it's once in a lifetime. It's not I'm running down. I'm thinking everything's fine. It's just never fun. What would make me change my mind? I know it's what I found. It's once in a lifetime. And I know there's no way out, 'cause it's once in a lifetime. Oh, oh, oh. Don't forget to subscribe, Pro Music Cover, and Kuya Josh TV Official. This ends our video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This has been your Kuya Josh TV Official. Signing off. Yeah.